In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a temporarily locked Amazon account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get right into it. First off, it's not uncommon to find your Amazon account locked occasionally. This can happen due to security reasons, such as unusual login or payment activity. So, the very first step you want to take is to check your notifications. Amazon typically sends an email or a text message explaining why your account is locked. If you don't see it in your main inbox, don't forget to check your junk or spam folders. Sometimes those notifications can sneak in there. Now, if you've seen a notification and it instructs you to verify your identity, the next step is to submit your identity verification. Simply log in through the normal Amazon portal and follow the on-screen instructions. Usually, you'll need to upload a clear photograph of a government-issued photo ID, like your driver's license or passport. This process is straightforward, but make sure the image is clear so it's easily readable. After that, Amazon may require additional billing information. This could include submitting a recent bank statement or a utility bill that matches the address registered on your account. Just make sure that the documents you provide are up to date and clearly show your name and address. If for any reason you can't log in to access the self-service options, don't panic. You can get in touch with Amazon customer support directly. You will need to reach out based on your location. For those of you in India, you can call 1-800-1200-909. And for viewers in the USA or Canada, your options include calling 1-877-586-3230 or 1-800-388-5512. They'll be able to assist you in troubleshooting your locked account. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can head to the Amazon website, navigate to the Help section, and then select Help with Signing In or Contact Us. From there, you can request a callback or chat with an agent who can help sort out your issue. While you're in contact with support, if your problem isn't being resolved, be sure to request to speak to an account specialist or the account review department. They are the experts and can better assist you in unblocking your account. Now, once you've submitted the necessary documents or completed a call with a representative, you'll just need to be patient. Amazon's review team usually resolves these issues within 24 to 48 hours. However, keep in mind that if your case is complex, it could take up to 5 business days. And a quick tip, avoid submitting duplicate documents unless specifically requested, as this might reset your place in the review queue. Patience is key here, and following these steps should help you regain access to your account in no time. So that wraps up our video on how to fix a temporarily locked Amazon account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.